So we're out here in Tofino BC. Oh, there's a blue jay right there. We're out here in Tofino BC to look at this airplane. You can probably see right behind me. Bring all 4 kids. We hiked through really boggy marsh. There's mud that goes up to your ankles and such, eh?
There's water in my boots. Mine too. It sucks. Look at mine.
What year was this from?
45.
1945, and it was a bomber, and it was called like Canso Bomber. So it had, I read up on it, and said it had 4 depth charges, 100 kilograms each, that they actually detonated around here. That's why you see all those round craters. Yeah, so but anyways, they dismantled it, took the machine guns off, and whatever valuable stuff. And yeah, we're gonna come check it out. And
everyone survived.
And everyone survived. Yeah, there's 12 people on board, and everyone lived, right? Because the pilot stalled the plane right before it hit the ground, and so they weren't going too fast, and just a few broken bones, nothing too big.
Do I worry 'cause you're stepping out? Do I worry 'cause you've got me in doubt? Though your kisses aren't right, do I give a bag of beans? Do I stay home every night and read my magazines? Am I frantic 'cause we've lost the spark? Is there panic when it starts turning dark? And when evening shadows creep, do I lose any sleep over you? Do I worry? You can bet your life I do.
Do I worry when the Iceman calls? Do I worry if Niagara falls? Though you treat me just like dirt, you think I give a snap? Are my feelings really